Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you missed the first video, I'll introduce myself again. My name is Haralicia Hart, and I'm the owner of Hayo Candle Co. So let's cut to the chase. Obviously you see these two packages sitting here. One is the prime reason for this video. The other is just some things in addition to make everything go smoothly. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna go ahead and get my feet wet and make some candles. I recently got this candle making kit, and I'm going to put it to use today. This is a haka. And it's a candle making kit. I know I'm out of the frame, but alright, so off the back, candle wicks, description, you know, steps and instructions. So it pretty much shows you everything that's a part of the kit, as well as how to use the kit. And that's like a little card stock thing. That's cute. Haka. Warning labels. Labels for the tops of the little tins that it comes with. These are kind of cute, and I'm guessing you just write on those. And it did say it came with some quality dried flowers. We've got 6 aromatherapy oils. So we gonna figure something out today. We making something, baby. All right. They did say beeswax came. They've got 5 of these bags here. They packed this so beautifully. I love it. Like, it's so organized. Oh, I guess this is supposed to be the mixing spoon. I know these are not wick cutters. These look like some baby bandage scissors. What? Then we have some wick holders. I don't see people advertise those at all. I see the clothespins more than those. So 5 packs of beeswax. Here's a thermometer that they provided. It's ugly. I did buy a laser thermometer, but I'm not gonna use it for this. I'm gonna, you know, if this is my first time, I'm gonna act like it. Here are some dye chips, and I'm sure you can mix colors to make something else. Alright, so here are the tins. And these tins, it has a fill weight. Yeah, I know about the fill weight already. Fill weight of 3 ounces. I'm gonna make just 2 candles right now. Here's some wicks, little electric stove. This thing is like portable pretty much. And I think this is pretty cute. For me to be starting out, I think this is really cute. So when I get that out, I'll show you guys that. You know, when I first opened this package, and I made sure to make a video of this, just in case, you know, anybody wants to buy this set or has been wondering. But I'll be the one to tell you, this threw me all the way off. I was like, this small behind pouring picture. I don't know why I brought this wooden spoon out here. Oh, because it was in the package with the scale. I got the keys. So we about to figure it out. Let me go ahead and get set up, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a second. Whew. Oh yeah, disclaimer. If my attire bothers you, I do apologize ahead of time. I live in Florida, and every day is like hell. I still smile. I love the outdoors. You know, I work with it. I don't go against it. All right, boom. So back to business. I did want to go ahead and not taste the scents, but try the scents with you guys. I got a couple dye blocks that I decided on. The flavors that I am going to, I don't know why I call them flavors, but like, I love it. I love that I'm about to do this. Just all of that. Okay, so the flavors, essential oils that I have right now are bluebells, lemon, and rose. Really curious as to how these are gonna smell. I also got the warmer here ready to go. I got an extension cord running over here because I knew I wanted to use this table to make these candles today. So this is the rose, and this is 10 milliliters in here. That smells I don't want to say dull, like you could smell the roses, but like it's like it needs something else. I've never even smelt this before. Who knew this was? Oh my god, this smells so good. I don't know why I put this back in here, but I need to like sniff these side by side or something. Call it blue roses. Blue roses, so they don't know what I used. I have my formula. So like I said, I'm gonna make 2 candles. I'm gonna need 6 ounces of wax. That is my fill weight. I'm gonna use 8% essential oil. Bluebell has a stronger scent, so I'm gonna do 70% bluebell, 30% rose. In some cases, it may be a good idea to round up to save yourself the trouble in the end when it comes to the multiple digits after the decimal. Like I said, I love math, so I knew what to do off of it. If you guys have any questions, anything I can help y'all with, I'm gonna respond to the comments, so please drop them. Like the video, subscribe, and you know, let me know something. So some people might want to say, oh, the 10s came with tops on them already. Why you feel the need to clean them? Because if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. You want to make sure you don't have any debris in there. You want that wick to stick, okay? Make that wick stick, baby. Woo! Cause everybody love clean stuff. My daddy used to sing to me a lot when I was, well, hell, he still be singing, but he sung to me a lot, okay? This is my first time, and y'all remember this, okay? Oh snap, I get to use a whole bag. A whole bag. Alright, so 5.33 ounces. And take a little bit more out of another bag. 5.54 water break. I'm gonna pump this thing to 3 and put my, now I know a lot of people like to do the double boiler method, but because this warmer is so freakishly small, ooh, it's getting hot already, I decided to put it right on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and wick my jars. Boom. Oh, I think that's pretty good. And we're going to, boom. This is cool. I don't care, I don't care. It's definitely melting. And then, oh my god, if I could show you guys this, wow. I'm gonna make a TikTok, and I'm definitely gonna drop the link. Again, this is beeswax. While this is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the temperature. That's one of the notes I made, to frequently check the temperature while I get started with this. $198. Okay, get ready to take this off. Just gonna stir the rest of those little wax balls in there. Make sure everything's in there. Everything is definitely melted at this point. And we have a temp of 215 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and allow that to cool. I don't know what's a good spot to sit this. Alright, so we're gonna let that cool. I have pretty much, let me sit these here. I pretty much have this little kitchen tool I grabbed. My formulas call for 70 rows, so that's 0.31 rows. But before I add the oils, I'm gonna add the dye while the temperature is you know, while the temperature is cooling down. Jeez, it's like I don't know what to say. Alright, drop in a little bit of yellow or golden yellow. This wax. This crap is hot. I'm gonna drop like this much in there. I gotta mix this for 2 minutes. I almost forgot that. I'm not gonna forget though. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do 0.11 again. Let's go. That's talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Oh, it's all right. I'm gonna get this bluebells ready to make the 13. That's 11. Boom. 1, 2, 14, 13. Boom. All right, let's get to mixing, baby. We're at 167 degrees. All right, we're gonna mix this up real good, and then we're pouring, baby. I think I'm stirring pretty vigorously. Like vigorously. Why? I don't know. But we are about to pour, baby. And we're gonna go ahead and pour, baby, pour. Pour, baby, pour. Okay, I did hit the fill line, but I'm gonna go a little bit more. Yeah, and then I have wax left over. I'm gonna leave it in the thing and let it harden. So let me go ahead and grab you guys and show you what I did. Let me show you guys this, because this is beautiful. Let me fill you guys in on what we got going on over here. Next time I'll think about having 2 cameras while I do this stuff. But these are, I have my cameras on the tripod, so you know. Is go get some this the setup. Got a little bit more wax left in there. As you can see, it's cleared up already. And yeah, I'm gonna just clean everything up, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Alright, so the candles are actually drying faster than I expected. So I'm gonna get you guys this shot of me dressing them with flowers. So here we go. Wait till like some part of it solidifies, like the more edgy part, so it doesn't fall into the so it doesn't fall into the wax. I'm going to use this here to kind of, oops. I hope I didn't ruin that. I think I can make it look better. So, yeah. Okay, there we go.